In May 2020, Microsoft announced the acquisition of Softomotive, a world-leading provider of robotic process automation, or RPA, and the creator of WinAutomation. This technology integrated with the Microsoft Power Platform represents an important milestone to Microsoft. Actually, Gartner has recently named Microsoft as visionary for its Power Automate solution in the category of RPA. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of how to integrate WinAutomation with Power Automate and UI Flow. But before going into the demo, let me explain you a little bit about the process. Requester is going to send an email with an Excel file. This email is going to arrive to a shared mailbox. At that moment, a first flow will execute. This first flow will extract the email metadata as well as the Excel file and store it onto a file share. Immediately, a second flow will execute. This second flow will get the data from the Excel file and will execute a UI flow, which at the same time will execute a WinAutomation process. This WinAutomation process will launch a legacy application and will extract the data from the Excel file and submit it to a legacy application. Okay, so let's start with the demo. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send an email. I'm logging in with this user. So just specify the email as well as the file attachment, which is going to be an Excel file with all my logistic requirements. So here I specify a subject and a description and send that email to the specific mail. So what I'm gonna see here is I am in the mailbox and I can validate that I have received that email. If I click on this Excel file, you will see that this is all the logistic requirements. We have a table with different fields like the category, subcategory, and item, and all of that kind of data will be stored in a file share. So let's review the first flow. Let me refresh here. Now the flow is running, and we can see that it has identified that there is a new email and have extracted the file attachment and stored it into a file share. You can see here that the file has been stored in this file share. And then let's look at the second flow. This second flow will basically capture the Excel file and launch a UI flow based on that. So you can see that immediately a process is running and is automatically getting the data from the Excel file and added item by item all of those requests into the legacy application. You can see that there are different items from different categories, subcategories, and items. And at the end, I can click on submit and I have submitted my request into the legacy application. So let's refresh and see the status of the flow is successful. So if we can see the process, basically the flow launch UI flow. We at the same time executed a WinAutomation process. Here we can look at the WinAutomation process. Basically, it has extracted the data from the Excel file, item by item, row by row, and add each item to the legacy application. You can see here all the controls from the legacy application. Okay, I hope this video was informative for you. If you want to know more about WinAutomation, let me know in the comments. Also, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again. Bye.